What's up, guys? So today I just got my MX Pro. Yeah, MX Pro. So this is what we got here. We got, oh, they send us a mask too. This is what they're doing, sending a mask. The logo. And they send us, I think it's a shirt. A big shirt now. Wow. And here it is. Here we got the package. Wow. It is huge. So this is the device that is supposed to mine. It is big, but it doesn't weigh that much, you know. It's very light. That's amazing, but it's big. We got this. We got this, the power. Some screws. We got this too. The cable. And the antennas. We got 3 antennas. So that's all that we got here. And we also got some Ethernet cable that I guess I'm supposed to use it to LO. Just very careful. Much better. So I had to change it because it was a little like too close, and then I just changed the I just change it, you know. So you have to figure out how you're gonna fix it. Okay. So we got that. Okay, so basically, I think it is something wrong. I put this to this wood because I wanna put it standing up. I don't know how to use the screws that comes here. I don't know how to use it. It's supposed to come here, but I don't know. So I did this way for myself. So the first thing I had to see if the green light is on. So we had to test it first of all before closing. I was closing it, so I shouldn't jump. It says, oh, receipts exist. Allow. So okay, so it's already done here. So it says 80% health. Now it's green. You see, it's green. Now it's mining. So the